Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of Android application keeps stopping. For that, you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, you need to go to your phone settings and you have to search for Google Play service. Okay, after entering into the Google Play service, you have to first stop the Google Play service. You can see a button at the bottom part. After that, you have to go to the storage and cache option. Again, you'll be able to see two options, that is clear storage and clear cache. You have to use both of it. After that, you have to search for Google Play Store. You have to do the same. You have to first stop this application, then go to storage and cache, then clear the storage and clear the cache. Then you have to go to that particular application which keeps stopping. Let's say TikTok is the particular application, so you have to follow the same. You have to first stop this TikTok application, then storage and cache, then clear storage and clear data. After that, you have to restart your phone and hopefully there will be no problem. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.